Hey guys, here's another box fan that I made. So this is a little 8-inch cardboard box fan with yogurt bottle blades. And I actually built this like 2 months ago, the cabinet at least, and it actually had a cardboard blade, but I switched it with this one because I thought it might look a little bit cooler. As you can see, there's no protective grill on this fan, front or back, and if I were to stick my finger in it while it's running, it'll probably hurt. And on each corner I have these triangles, and they act as a support for the cabinet so it doesn't bend out of shape. And here's the back. So as you can see, yogurt carton blades, and it has a 9-volt DC brushed motor, which is powered by a 9-volt adapter, which is right here. And I have two little cardboard feet for stabilizing. And this fan does have a carrying handle. I glued that on there. It's a very lightweight fan. And now I'll turn the fan on. So there's a power bar here with a switch. So on. It's pretty quiet. Moves a pretty good amount of air. The motor on this fan rattles a little bit, and I think it's because the brush is a little bit worn out. So it's the holder that's rubbing against the commutator, and I think that's making the rattling sound. Probably won't be able to fix it, but still runs very well. Yeah, that's a disadvantage with brushed motors. And here's off. Yeah, pretty decent spin down for a homemade fan. So that'll do it for this video on this little 8-inch cardboard box fan. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be posting more videos very soon. And thanks for watching.